What I am trying to explain, important point. Sometimes you think if you are healthy, eating every day, digestion is good, your body is good, whatever you want to do, you are able to do, and you have the things what you want, then you are very happy. We don't need anything. It means now we are failed in examination of life. Because life is not meant only to enjoy the food, enjoy the physical health, and to get the things what we want. Therefore, what is the aim of our life? That we want to experience that we are omnipresent. We are not limited by this body. We want to experience in this alive state that our existence is omnipotent, omniscient consciousness, immortal consciousness, bliss and eternal peace. Aim is this. Then how to achieve this? Therefore, Kriya Yoga meditation is designed in the way. Try to go any university, try to do PhD in any subject, get Nobel Prize every year. Still you cannot get your aim of life, to experience that we are omnipresent. But Kriya Yoga science designed in a way, if you follow sincerely, will achieve it. Sometimes when we do recharging, our pain is gone, body become healthy, we start eating good, we feel peace. Oh, that I am satisfied. It means we are failed. Then purpose of recharging is to increase concentration of mind on self. Then we have more and more concentration how to watch breath. Okay, all right, now I do recharging, I watch breath, full concentration, I feel good peace. Okay, all right, I satisfied. Again we are failed. No. Purpose of concentration on breath, on body with the help of recharging is to concentrate on a spiritual aura, to get our real vision. What is the real vision? That is the spiritual light which is the pathway to the heaven. We have to get that. And purpose of watching breath is also to have deeper concentration on vibration, which you listen when ears are closed. Okay, all right. We tried very nicely, we got it. Now we saw very nice spiritual light and we are able to listen sound waves, watching the breath, recharging, everything is going very nicely. But still I don't feel that I am omnipresent. But I am satisfied, I do not want. Then we are failed in examination of the life. Then try to practice sincerely so that in this life we must realize we are omnipresent. Then how to do that? Practice initiation steps. All practicing recharging, concentration on breath, concentration on spiritual aura, concentration on holy vibration. When you close ears and listen, is formally one thing, how to place our mind along the middle path within head and spine. This is called middle path. This is called path of infinite. Middle path does not mean what we analyze. Not more, not less. This is not middle path. Middle path is path of infinity. How to place our mind along this middle path? We want deeper concentration. Okay, all right, we develop concentration. Now we feel cool and warm current here. I feel very, very great peace. Oh, I am very well satisfied. God, I do not want anything. Again we are failed. Until we realize we are omnipresent, we should never become satisfied. Okay, all right. Now I decided that Kriya Yoga practice what I was doing 14 morning, 14 evening, sometimes 6 times in middle, altogether 28 or 34. Then I want to do more because I have to practice 1008 in a row. Okay, then I develop greed. Then I start practicing through the greed. Then I practice beyond what is prescribed. Then we become sick. We get all kind of problems. I don't know what happens. I am practicing Kriya Yoga very nicely, but I become sick. I do not know why. Because we practice with the greed. You want to practice 1008 Kriya without preparing your neurons. Therefore, by practicing 14 times morning, 14 Kriya morning, 14 evening, in between sometimes 6 Kriya you can practice. Just try to practice more and more. As your practice goes deeper and deeper, then you can increase it slowly, slowly. Then 1, 2, 3 years, 4 years, now you practice 50 Kriya morning, 50 Kriya evening. Oh, that is a lot. If anybody can practice with no problem, then slowly, slowly you will reach to that stage. The moment you are able to practice 1008 in a row, then it will take 3.5 years to experience nirvikal samadhi, that we are omnipresence consciousness. Okay, we are practicing it, but we got asthma, we have tuberculosis, we have certain infection, urinary tract infection, or some abdominal infection, then you cannot practice. During any sickness which is disturbing our internal organ, like infections and other things, then this spinal current is used there. When spinal current is engaged in preparing, in repairing, in readjusting the body parts, then you cannot drag current into the spine. There will be problem. Therefore, when you are having some chronic cold cough, asthma, tuberculosis, any other sickness, you should not practice initiation steps. But initiation steps is very important, because in one lifetime I want to experience that I am omnipresent. Then try to practice disciplined life. Criticize no one. Never try to seek fault in anyone. Never compare with person to person. And have scientific food, what is described and explained science of food based on the Kriya Yoga philosophy. Now try to follow that food. Now I am very particular to eat the good food, and no criticism, no complaint, no comparison. Then we will achieve a higher stage of health, which will allow me to practice 1008 Kriya in a row. Therefore, to remain healthy is very important. Oh, I am healthy, what for? So that we can practice initiation steps longer. I am concentrating on breath, on spiritual aura. Why? Because I want to develop a higher concentration, so that I can place my mind along the middle line within head and spine. Then I am having more and more discipline, how to eat, how to live, so that we can achieve this state, 1008 Kriya every day. Then it will take 3.5 years to experience that we are omnipresent. This is very important. We are very, very happy that you are listening and you are understanding. This is great matter of joy that you are ready to try for it more and more. With this brief message, I bow to all of you.